Hello guys, how are you? I hope everyone is alright. And I also think that you all will be doing good. If somebody's having their pre-board exams or anything, wish you all the best. But anyway, how are you guys? We long time no see. I not talked with anybody yet or posted any videos because everyone is busy in their own things. So yes, today my topic will be about ICAT's International CATS Contest. Competence and Aptitude Testing Services is the most fastest growing contest in Pakistan. Well, I think a lot of you might heard about ICAT's International CATS Contest. It's starting since grade 1 toddlers till adolescents, grade 9 and grade 10. So the thing that in this ICATS is that as we get our exams right, like grade 5 has a different exam, grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, they all have a different exam, but this is also just like an exam. But if you want to participate, your choice, and if you don't want to participate, it's up to you and your parents and your guardians, anyone. Like, who is your guardian? They are responsible for this, that if their child wants to do ICATs, or their parents are responsible that if their child wants to do ICATs. So yes, today I'm going to talk with you about International CATS Contest, most fast growing contests in Pakistan. There are different types of contests. Let's start. Well, number one first is they also have art contest, creative writing contest, arts contest, English contest, science contest. These are the four contests they have. These are the International CATS Contest. They are in association with IMASO Indonesia. IMASO means Institute of Mathematics and Science of Yapiat. Yapiat is, I think, a place in Indonesia. Let's check it. Yes, it's a place. So I also participated in ICAT Science and ICAT Maths. I also participated in English, but that will be in January 16, 2025. Well, if you are planning to do ICATs and if it's available in your school, all you gotta do is just ask your guardians or your parents. They have to give you 1,000 rupees, 1,000 rupees for it. And yes, again, you're gonna have to give that to your principal or a teacher, like your class teacher or your principal. That this is my ICATs money. Take it, and I would like to participate in ICATs. And if you don't want to participate in ICATs, it's up to you. So yes, I participated in maths and science. I'm also going to participate in English. I paid them the amount for it. It will be in January 16, 2025. So these are the booklets I received. This is the science ICATs, the juniors. Well, class 5 and 6. So just like I told you, in exam we have like class 5 different, class 6 different, class 10 different. But in this type of paper, class 5 and 6 will be same. The number first there are 5 categories of the contest as under number first toddlers. Class 1 and 2 will be handed a same booklet and they will have to fill that booklet. And the second one is kids, which is grade 3 and 4. They both will also have the same booklet, like a booklet like this. Like, everyone will get the same booklet, but the questions will be same. For class 1 and 2 will be same questions. Class 3 and 4 will be same questions, but they will be different from class 1 and 2. But class 3 and 4 will be different. So yes, and the juniors one is grade 5 and 6. The juveniles is grade 7 and 8, and the adolescents is grade 9 and 10 O levels. So let me tell you the instructions. Don't start attempting the paper until the paper is instructed by the invigilators. So if your principal is over there, you should not start the paper immediately until it's not instructed by the principal or by the teacher, anyone, or by the invigilator. Instructions from the examination invigilators must be carried out promptly. Number 3, carefully recheck your name, because we are humans, we can make any mistake. and anything can happen. Maybe your principal gave you the wrong one. What if she gave you the grade 1 ICAT's page? Like what if she gave you the wrong booklet of the wrong class? So you check your name, your father name, your school name, your address at the bubble sheet and at the answer sheet. Record all answers on the bubble sheet only. Select the best answer given from the 4 options and mark only one option in each question. So let me tell you everything at the end. I will tell you everything at the end. I know this might be a lot of confusing. So number 5 instruction and number 5th instruction is use blue or black ink to fill up the circles for your answers on the bubble sheet. Do not use pencil. Do not use pencil. Pencil is not allowed. So use of any helping material, like if you are going to bring cell phones, electronic device, these are strictly prohibited. These are not allowed at all at the international contest when you're giving that exam, when you're giving that paper. And every correct answer will earn 3 points. For example, there's this one question. Some children are trying to get supplies into their tree house. The simple machine which would be the most useful to them would be lever, option A, lever B, pulley. No, wait, this question is wrong, I think. Lever B, lever, pulley, answer. So, no, there are 4 options, they said here. So, the question which I read, question number 3. Some children are trying to get their supplies into their tree house. The simple machine which would be most useful to them would be like, now I have a tree house and I'm trying to get supplies in there. My books, for example, a small bed, like a single bed, maybe if we can take it. Some people cannot take it, it's not possible, but just imagine, think, it's a scene, think. And if I'm trying to take a few stuff, like a table or a small table or something, kids do that. So what will be the most useful supply to me today? I have to take my supplies. So what will be the most useful machine for me to take it up? Option A, lever. Option B, pulley. Option C, wheel and axle. Option D, screw. These 4 options. The one which is correct, you're gonna have to fill the circle. Like you're gonna get a paper, like so the question which I read now is that some children are trying to get their supplies in their tree house. I read the whole question. I also said other things. So option A is lever, option B pulley, option B wheel, also option C wheel and axle, and option D is screw. These are the 4 options they told us here. So for example, lever is the correct answer. For example, okay, I'm not sure about it. So I will get this answer sheet and I will have to check this. It will be this type of answer sheet. Like I created this by myself, but it will be it will be like this. Like it will be like some weird circles, and you'll have to fill them up. If I think, if I read this book, the lever is the correct answer. So there will be written, write it here in the circles, A, B, C, D. It will be written. Well, I know you can see it properly, but I think you are ready to understand. Please prepare your brains to and learn some interesting details about my stuff which I'm going to deliver you a lecture. So yes, so I think that this option A, lever, is correct. So here they will write A here. So I'm going to fill that up with a blue ball pen, a blue ink pen. But I'm going to choose a blue ball pen. So I'm going to have to fill that circle up, option A1, wheel properly. I have to fill that full up. I don't even need to leave this much space empty. But it should not go outside the circle. If it went outside the circle, I think they'll deduct marks for you also about that. They'll also deduct marks for you about that. Okay. So you have to fill that full circle up. So Every correct answer earns 3 points. There will be negative marking. 1 point will be deducted for every incorrect answer. So if the computer will check the paper. When I finish those 30 MCQs, I'm going to give that to my principal or my teacher over there that I did my paper. So you can take it. And when the computer checks it, and it realizes that liver is the incorrect option, so 1 mark will be deducted, and they will give you 2 marks. Each question has 3 marks. 1 mark will be deducted, and you will only have 2 marks then. Okay. Candidates may not leave the examination room for any reason, and this also includes using the washroom. For example, if you're trying to go to a restroom, that I need to go to a restroom in the middle of the in the examination room, and you do not do your paper yet, you will not go, because if you did not do your paper yet, you are not allowed. You can also ask this from your principal about ICATs. Okay. So only registered students can participate in the contest. If I'm not participated, I not even pay the money, I'm not allowed to come in this contest. No candidate shall take out any answer books or part of the answer book, whether used or unused or other supplied material. Okay. So for information about upcoming contests or providing valuable feedback, please visit www.catcontest.org. So I hope you understand everything about the science ICATs. So I also have this one link, one web. You can go and check it on Safari or on Google. Check it. So yes, it's www.catscontest.org. Or if there is any academic misconduct, any mistake they did it in your academic answer sheet, or malpractice, it must be reported to International Cats Contest. If you really want to mail it, so the info is at info you have to write the A, catscontest.org. So I hope you learn everything about the science contest. So we'll post a part 2 about the maths contest. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and if you want to watch more videos, so stay tuned. Goodbye.